Guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford vehicle. It could be any Ford, guys, practically. Ford C-Max, Focus, Fiesta, F150, Ford Mustang, Escape, Edge, Explorer, Flex, Ford Cougar, guys. Anything you need to remove headrest on the seat, front or rear seat. Stay with this, we'll explain common mistakes people make. Sometimes they're part of the airbag system. You gotta be careful, guys, because something like that can cost you hundreds of dollars, guys, okay, if you screw it up. And there is a trick in some cases that you need to remove them as how you remove them as well. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your car, and you want to save quite a bit of money, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can save quite a bit of money. So let's go ahead, okay, and explain how, guys, okay, how we're going to go ahead, okay, and remove a headrest, okay, on a Ford vehicle now. So pretty simple, guys. We're going to come, okay, let's go to this one here. Okay, this one here, this is the headrest. Okay, let's position the camera like that. You can see that you can press right here, right? When you press like that, the headrest goes up and down. Okay, that's the only button. But you cannot remove it, guys. Check it out. You cannot remove it, right? It gets stuck. On most Ford vehicles, guys, okay, it will come out easily, but the headrest is part of the airbag system. You may have wires inside the lines, so you have to be extremely careful. If it doesn't want to come out once we do what we do here, okay, don't force it, because then you have airbag light on and it will cost you quite a bit of money to fix. You will have one button on this side too. Sometimes it may be easy to fix, sometimes you may get a plastic tool, okay, to press it. In other cases, it could be like a little bitty hole. And that little bitty hole, you may need to get something pointy and just press it in. It has different designs. When you do that, and you do this and this at the same time, okay, 1 second, you just go ahead and pull it out. If it doesn't want to come out, don't force it. You may have wires that run in the headrest to the seat, guys, and it's part of the airbag system. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to do that. Thank you for watching and see you next time.